Hi friends, it's Deb, and we had a request come in for a clothing refresher spray from our Peaceful Journey to Wellness Facebook group, and you're certainly welcome to join that. And today we'll need 1 cup of distilled water right here. We'll need some Witch Hazel or vodka. We don't drink here, so we don't have vodka around. And then also 1 of your essential oils that you might like. I'm going to do lavender today, but you can use also lemon, you can use eucalyptus, or you can use peppermint as one of the oils. And then, of course, you need a bottle that you're going to put it in, and then the sprayer, right? So with this recipe, what we need to do is measure out our witch hazel or vodka. We want to measure it out to 1/4 cup. So I'm doing this off camera. And that's my cat Miko playing with his little ball ring. That's what you hear there in the background. Okay, so I have a 1/4 cup here. And so I'm going to take the bottle. Now you can use a funnel. I'm going to try to be really careful as I do this today. There we go. I did great. So we use the witch hazel or the alcohol because this will help to disperse the oils. If you're using 1 or more oils, to have them disperse more effectively when we mix in the water. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the oil. And in this case today, I'm using lavender. So whatever one that you choose, if you're using the lavender or the lemon, eucalyptus, or peppermint, you would use 20 to 30 drops. So here's my lavender. That's about 20, a little over 20 probably, and that's okay. And the other thing you might want to add in, it's optional, is you can add a few drops of tea tree oil. There we go. Kind of a small space here as I'm doing this, so I'm just going to add a few drops of tea tree. And so why are we adding the tea tree in? Well, we're adding the tea tree in because it has antibacterial properties, right? Our tea tree oil does. And it can help deodorize and refresh the clothes even further. And so that's why we're using that in there today. So then we want to get 1 cup of distilled water. Before we do that, let's go ahead and we'll mix the oils in. So just kind of swirling it around in there. There we go. And then putting the water in. Okay, so I'm pouring this into a bigger bottle. Couldn't find another bigger bottle, so we're using this one here. And going to, I know you can't see me pouring it in there, but I need a better setup for doing this at my work table. So in this case then, we're going to put the cap on. And so then putting the cap on with the sprayer. I know this isn't the best video, but thank you for your patience. And then just shaking it up. And then you want to make sure you shake it up before each use. And then I'm just going to grab this cloth bag that I have sitting here. I kind of did this on the fly today, so my apologies. So I'm just spraying it. There we go. It smells nice. It smells nice. All right, so that's the quick video for today. Sorry it couldn't be longer and a little bit better than what I had planned to do. But I will have the recipe in the post, and then you'll be able to see. And just remember to, do the witch hazel or vodka first, then add, whatever essential oils, the 20 to 30 drops, a few drops of tea tree. Again, swirl, mix, then add the water. And then just make sure you shake it gently before each use. And remember that vodka or witch hazel is there to help to disperse the oils through the water. So thanks everybody, and take care. See you next time.